We are going to look at how to set up a Git repository and your terminal, or to set up Git in such a way that you will be able to push your code to GitHub repository. So in the github.com, you are going to click on new. That will allow you to create a new repository. Say I'm going to create npm init API, right? This is the name of my repository, npm init API repository. Alright, it's going to be public. It will have a readme file at a .ignore file, okay, and this will be for Python projects. So license, I'm going to use MIT license, which just means that anybody can use this piece of code, and hit create repository. That's it. So I've got this main branch here, right? In future I can add more branches to this. Main branch is generally the branch that you want to keep as the production code in. And now I'll copy this link, HTTPS link. This will help me clone the application, right? So what I'll do is I'll open a folder. Say I go to my desktop, I go into npm init, right? Here what I can do is I can do cmd on a Windows, cmd on the address bar at the top. On Windows, this will open up a terminal, and here I can write git clone, and then alright, so ls, let's look at this. This folder is newly created. It just got readme, git ignore file, license file, all of this. And now I'm going to just open up a cd, that is get into this folder, and I'm going to type code dot opens up a editor for you with the folder. So it by default open the folder as the project, and here it is. This is my VS Code editor, and now whatever additions I make, I can make it here and push it to the remote. So let me also check how you can see remote, get remote, right? So if you can Google it, you will see get remote -v gives you details of the remote origin. So remotely it is hosted here, and anything that I make changes here. So in readme, currently there's just these two lines here. If I add, and if I see on the, and here I see the same two lines, right? And if I add, say clone, how to clone, so git clone, right? This is what one can do, git clone. I'll just save this file. Git status gives you details about the branch you are on branch main. Your branch is up to date with origin main. It's telling me that it's up to date with the remote main branch. Changes that has been happened, so it's saying that I have modified readme.md, right? So if, and it's in red, until and unless I do git add all files. Dot stands for all files. Now if I do git status, it will be the same, will be your branch is up to date with origin. This is now in white or green, it would be. Okay, so git commit, I'm committing the changes. All right, so all I'm saying is updated readme with clone information. Make sure your commit message, yeah, so this is commit message, so I write git commit -m stands for message and then my message. Make sure your message is very elaborate and self-explanatory, and then git push origin main, or simply git push, both would work, right? So there it is. Now let's go to here and refresh this page, and you will see that updated readme cloning information is here as well. So that's it. We have learned about how to set up the repository uh, and clone it on your local computer, and then sync the remote as well with your local repository. Thank you. See you in the next video.